Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering references and choosing your camera angle. Once set, block the silhouette quickly. Use loose gesture lines to establish height and pose, marking head, ribcage, and pelvis with simple shapes. Make major proportions intentional, longer limbs and a tapered torso for menace. Once the rough skeleton reads, check negative space and balance. Make sure the character leans or stands to convey weight. This groundwork prevents proportion fixes later and lets you move into refining with confidence. Now refine the anatomy and primary features so the slasher reads clearly. You tighten the ribcage and pelvis connection, place joint pivots, and flesh out muscles only where they matter. Once the anatomy sits, carve in the face, push angular brows and sunken cheeks to sell menace. Then integrate costume and props, ensuring folds follow body motion and a weapon reads in silhouette. Make sure to alternate looking from 6 inches away and at full screen to keep proportions honest while detailing. Finish by producing clean lines and layering textures to sell material and mood. You ink with varied weight, heavier on foreground edges and lighter on distant details. Once done, block flat colors under the lines. Apply lighting. Choose one strong rim and a soft ambient fill to create depth, then add 1-2 highlights to metal or wet surfaces. If details look muddy, reduce mid-tone opacity and sharpen contrast. Troubleshooting tip: if proportions still feel off, toggle your canvas flip and correct asymmetries before final export.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.